Welcome to Study from Home Movement 2.0. To continue on the path and discoveries that have been made by the Study from Home Movement app, we wanted to make the app more functional and help users develop better habits by motivating them to take more steps. Our mission statement is, how do we motivate students to improve their health through steps and habits? The World Health Organization states that adults between the age of 18 to 65 should do at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderately intense activity per week. This could, for example, be by taking a walk and improving the steps. We started by trying to figure out how people are motivated to move and take steps during the day. We mainly found that one group of people were quite motivated by competing with other people, while another group was not motivated at all by competition. We also found that people were motivated to complete health goals if they were cooperating with other people to reach a common goal. Let's go to the beginning of the app. The app revolves around the idea of a step goal, which the user will be prompted to set up while signing up. This can also be changed later under settings. The target of the step goal is to give the user something to aim at and is the basis for the trophy system, which we will get into later. The home page of the app shows the amount of steps taken today and the user's goal. The bar chart shows our weekly report. Through our discovery phase, we found that some people who did not own a fitness watch and performed a sport activity felt unmotivated since their steps were not recorded if they were not wearing their phone. In the function Add Activity, the user can make up for lost steps. At the bottom of the app, we have a traditional navigation bar. If we use it to move to the Study from Home Movement section, the original app still lives here, but with the added statistics of the user's added activities. We can also continue to support the data gathered by the research. Users who like to collaborate or compete can use the group feature. The group page gives the user an overview of their active groups, what kind of group it is, and days left of the challenge. The user can from here also join a group or create a new group. As we can see, groups can either be a challenge or with a common goal. Let's start with looking at a challenge group. In a challenge group, it looks like this. A leaderboard with all the participants' total number of steps is shown, and along with their position in the challenge. Today's amount of steps is also shown and compared to the others in the groups. Moving on, looking at a group with a common goal, no comparison with others in the group is shown. This is the cooperation feature where users together with others strive for a common goal. In order to reward the user and learn from studies in gamification of fitness, we have added a trophy function inside the app. Different trophies are achieved through completing various challenges which have been predetermined. For example, reaching your step goal every day for 1 month. There are trophies for both group and individual challenges. To keep users motivated throughout the day, we added a feature which reminds the user to reach their goal if they have not by a certain time of the day. We also made the app calculate the approximate time to achieve the last steps instead of just showing how many steps are left in numbers. This approach got very positive feedback during our feedback interviews. The number of steps can often seem more daunting and more abstract than the time it actually takes to achieve the goal. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope you will enjoy the Study from Home Movement 2.0 app.